Good morning, y'all. It's the morning series, baby. Let's walk. So you got up today. That's a gift right there. Any day you can wake up, it's a beautiful day, baby. Come on now. I learned that one a long time ago. Honestly, you used that. Someone said I was too young to use that line. I said, what do you mean I'm too young? Hey, even on that first day, you can say thank you for life, you know? Yeah, we're being thankful. We're showing gratitude for every waking moment. But yeah, how do you get up? Like I said, waking up with that passion, baby. You gotta convince yourself. Yeah, you gotta convince yourself. You gotta convince yourself it's worth it. See, right now you don't think it's worth it to get up. You don't see the validity. You don't see the point in getting up. You don't see the gains from getting up. You're like, hey, I can get this extra hour of sleep. Feels good. That's that instant gratification, right? Sleep feels good for that hour. But I'm gonna tell you, this financial freedom gonna feel good for the rest of my life, baby. Ow, let's get it. Waking up early to chase that lion. You know, the early bird's gonna get that worm. You know that. So how did we get there? Well, it starts at night, and we're putting that good stuff into our brain. Putting some good stuff in your brain that's gonna motivate you. Something that's not gonna get you worried. Something that's not gonna have you anxious. Something that's gonna have you ready and longing for that sunrise. Put something on your plate in the morning. Something you can rush into. Something you just can't wait to do. Like Christmas. Remember Christmas? You know, you didn't want to go to sleep. Actually, you did want to go to sleep. Well, it was a mixed match, right? Because you didn't want to go to sleep because you wanted to see that guy. But then you wanted to go to sleep so you can see that guy. You know, so the guy could come. It just ripped your brain apart as a kid. You didn't know what to do. And that's where we're at as adults, you know. Go back to that childlike faith. Maybe that's what they mean when they say childlike faith. Go back to when you can just wake up, bam, looking for a gift. Because every day's a gift. Maybe that's the metaphor for you for today. Merry Christmas in October. Wake up like every day is a gift. I love it. So yeah, we're just moving, getting the blood pumping. I believe in you. But you got to start believing in yourself. You know that. You know that. We can only do so much here, right? We can only do so much here. I can only say so much. I can only walk so far. But man, you got a whole lot of love in there. And you're not giving yourself enough. You're not giving yourself enough credit. Come on. You can do it. If I can get up here and keep doing this, because I'm going to do it. I didn't want to get up today. I didn't. I was like, I'm tired. I have softball conditioning at like 9. Maybe sleep in a little bit for that. Nah, let's get up and make the morning series for the people, from a dream, for the passion, to get out and just speak, right? To build the catalog. I'm just going to keep doing this, man. I don't care if it takes 1,000 mornings. Somebody says, oh my goodness, this guy is serious. This guy is serious. I want to follow this guy. We're going to follow this guy. I am making policy, trying to be a leader out here. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to lead, all right? Let me get out of here. Run on back home. I got stuff to do today. And so do you. Get her done. Love someone today. Subscribe to the page if you haven't already. Check me out at Mark Drew Speaks on the Instagram. Peace.